Hi everyone, good evening, good morning. So today we will be covering about C programming. So if you're 10 plus 2 student or in the bachelor first year or you're into master's first year, this session is going to be very helpful for you. So I'll be covering the whole C programming curriculum. So myself Ratnesh and I've been working for the past 10 years into the area of software development. So in the C programming, why C is being used, I'm not going to give you a lot of lectures. So our session is mostly going to be a practical session. So in the day one, what we need to configure is make sure that you have a code blocks installed in your system. And in this, we are going to do all the programming and how we will be covering a lot of sessions. So for my reference, if you want to go for the books, I would suggest one of the book for you, or you can join my classes on mycampussquare.com. You can go on register here and enter your school code intensity, and once you enter your school code intensity, name will appear. Click to confirm and register in the classes for the computer science and select your role as a student, and you will be admitted to my class. And I provide a lot of lectures also online, so you can come here. So make sure that you have code blocks installed, and don't get confused with a lot of icons and how can we work on a project. So simple, we will be selecting a empty file and we will save with the extension called .c. Let's say I'm writing first.c and I'll save it on my desktop. And to write a program, C programming is very simple, syntactical program. Why we are learning C programming and what is the need of C programming? So I'll be covering a lot of things in the next session. For today's session, we'll just learn how to print a value. Alright, so let us say I'm writing hello world, right? So this value, this printf is a function which will print any value into our console. To run this file, we will click on build and run, and this file will get compiled and we will get output as hello world. So similarly, let's say if I want to add any number, printf is known as our format specifier. So I'll show you what is the meaning of format specifier. Alright, so if I'm adding something like this, so this session is also going to be beneficial for you if you're preparing for MCA entrance in India. So 35. So this is the format specifier job. So we will be covering a lot of things. This is just a beginning session. This is just a beginning thing for you. I would recommend you please make sure that you have code blocks installed. To install code block, you can go on code blocks, search on Google. The first link will appear. You can download from here. And for a compiler, you can go for mingw. Alright, based on your architecture of your system, you can select how to install mingw. If you do not know, you can go on your My Computer, right click and select the properties, and you'll come to know what is the architecture of your computer system. So mine is 64 bit operating system, so I'll select x64 installation, and that is something you install. For configuration is very simple. It will automatically detect all the thing. If there is any challenges coming up, drop me a text on YouTube on my channel. Thank you very much.